Good afternoon, friends, and thank you so much for joining ESG Risk AI's award ceremony. Today, will recognize 21 areas of ESG leadership, and in the next 5 minutes, I will provide an overview of the evaluation framework used to identify the ESG leaders. As we know, corporate India has been recognizing their social and environmental impact, has taken numerous initiatives to mitigate or manage ESG risks. ESG India Leadership Award is an initiative of ESG Risk.ai to celebrate achievements in ESG risk management. To identify award recipients, ESG Risk.ai employed a rigorous evaluation framework, and to eliminate all bias, identified and appointed an independent jury, which was tasked to recommend award categories and develop the award framework using which the winners would be identified. To qualify as a jury member, experts could not be affiliated with any of the corporates being evaluated, had to have ESG expertise, and needed an understanding of best sustainability practices across the globe. I am very privileged to be chairperson of the award committee and participate in the first ever award recognizing corporate excellence in ESG. The jury members met numerous times over a period of 4 weeks to finalize the methodology and identify winners in each award category. The jury members agreed to use four sequential steps to identify the winners. In step one, the jury identified material ESG issues for each sector, and based on these material risk issues, identified the award categories that would be recognized. Only companies exposed to specific risk would be considered for the award. For example, data privacy and security is not a material risk in the manufacturing sector, and hence only companies in the service sector were considered for this award category. The jury during internal discussion recognized that a few companies may be leaders in managing multiple ESG risks and recommended category specific and overall leadership awards. The jury members also opined that an award recognizing ESG transparency will encourage disclosures, and this was accepted and instituted by ESGRisk.ai. In step two, the jury identified the list of companies eligible for each award. From the universe of 500 listed companies selected by market capitalization. In this step, the jury did not know how any company fared on their ESG risk management. The company's performance was to be evaluated only after they made the shortlist for a category. In step three, the ESG risk management capability of each company in the shortlist was evaluated using ESGRisk.ai's assessment framework, which considers risk management strategy, ESG initiatives and targets used by the company to track their performance, and the performance against the internally identified targets. Leaders in each category were identified based on their scores. In the final step, the leaders were screened by the jury for controversies or negative news that can belie their performance in an award category. The final list of award winners were then compiled by the jury and presented to ESGRisk.ai's management. The management of ESGRisk.ai also learned about the winners only from the jury. None of the jury members were paid by ESGRisk.ai or in any manner influenced by the companies evaluated for the awards. The awardees did not have to nominate themselves or pay a fee to be considered for the awards. In summary, I'm happy to say that ESGRisk.ai's awards are not only fair, independent, and unbiased, but also ascertained using a rigorous methodology applied transparently by a committee of industry experts. The entire jury and my congratulations to the winners for their exemplary ESG practices.